The fourth product on this list is the BodegaCooler T50. The BodegaCooler T50 is a versatile portable freezer perfect for camping, road trips, and outdoor adventures. It offers a seamless user experience with dual control options. You can adjust settings manually or through a user-friendly app available for both Android and iOS. By connecting via Bluetooth, you can easily monitor and manage the freezer's performance without repeatedly checking it. Just set the temperature through your phone, ensuring your food stays fresh without constant oversight. This portable refrigerator boasts a powerful compressor that rapidly cools items to 32 to 0 in just 15 minutes using its max mode. The energy-saving battery protection system ensures efficient operation, safeguarding your vehicle's battery with adjustable voltage levels. Whether you're preserving fresh produce, freezing meat, or chilling drinks, this freezer keeps everything in optimal condition. A standout feature of the BodegaCooler T50 is its dual-zone design, offering a total capacity of 53 quarts. You can independently set temperatures for each zone, providing flexibility for a variety of items. This makes it ideal not only for camping, but also for BDDs, travel, and even home use. One of its drawbacks is that the app setup may seem complex for non-tech-savvy users. Additionally, the retractable handle and wheels, while convenient, may not handle rough terrain effectively. Still haven't found the best portable freezer for camping for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe